Hello everyone, welcome to ShopDev channel. So today in this video we are going to have a look at the switch expression, but before going deep into this subject, so I would recommend you to have a look at my previous video about the switch statement. The link will be specified in the description below. Okay, so the switch expressions were first introduced in C#8. So what it is a more lightweight version of switch statement. It is similar to switch statement. In fact, they have the same functionality, but it is a more concise way of writing a switch statement. Okay, and in the switch expression, you no longer have to specify the case, break, or return keywords. That's one thing. Secondly, all the cases or expression and the column that was used initially in the switch statement are being replaced by arrows. The default keyword has been replaced by an underscore. Okay, so now let's have a look at the syntax, the difference. So in the switch statement, on my left and on your right, you have the switch expression syntax. So the first difference is, well, in a switch statement you have to specify the expression to evaluate after the switch keyword, but in a switch expression the expression to evaluate is before the switch keyword. Secondly, you can notice that you don't have to specify the case, break, and the column. Okay, so you just have to specify your constant value or literal followed by an arrow and your expression. Great. And notice here the end of the expression or each being replaced by a comma. Previously, at the end of the break statement you were specifying the semicolon. One more difference is the default keyword is no longer used in switch expression and being replaced by underscore followed by an arrow. One more important difference is in switch statement you are not specifying a semicolon at the end of the body, but here with switch expression you need to specify a semicolon. Okay, so let's have a look at the demo. So this was the previous way of writing the switch statement. So consider a simple example where I input a number on the screen, okay, and evaluate this number based on a range between 1 and 5. Okay, I have 5 cases where I write the number in words. If I specify a number outside the range, okay, so here I'll print a number outside the range in the default case. Okay, now the same can be written using a switch expression where you have specified your cases 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the number you're writing in words. See, I'm using a comma at the end of each statement and the default keyword has been replaced by underscore. At the end of the switch expression I'm using a semicolon and no longer making use of the case and break keyword and no longer making use of the colon. Okay, so let's run this program just to see the behavior. So I need to enter a number between 1 and 5, so let's enter 1. Okay, so my result gives me 1, and 1 is printed on the screen, 1 in word. Okay, remove the breakpoint, just do another round of check. say enter number 4, so should be printing for the screen. So now if I print a number outside the range, say 7, so should be printing number outside the range. So that's it guys, a quick demo about the switch expression. So quickly we are going to have a look at the key points to remember. Well, the evaluation expression is before the switch keyword. Okay, that's the main difference. So in switch statement, the expression is after expression to evaluate after the switch keyword, and in switch expression to evaluate is before the switch keyword. Okay, the case and colon elements are replaced with an arrow. We just had a look at that in our demo, and it is a more concise and intuitive way of writing. The default case is replaced by an underscore, like we said here, and the bodies are expression, not statement. So these in the switch expression, all these are expressions. And finally the syntax, it ends with a semicolon. So switch expressions end with a semicolon as compared to switch statement. So that's it guys. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.